Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do faux locks. So the first thing that you will want to do is part your hair and box braid your own hair. And then you're going to take your twist bulk deep wave and you're going to insert that with a crochet latch hook. Next, you're going to take your Marley hair, Cuban twist hair, and you're going to insert that into the same braid using your crochet latch hook. So once you get your Marley hair in, you will want to slide up one side and make it shorter and make one side longer. And after that, what I did was separate the hair because it makes your faux lock look very neat and it's easier to wrap around this way. Once after you're done separating, you begin wrapping around starting at the very top. As you're wrapping around, make sure that each piece that you wrap around is overlapping the previously wrapped around section. That eliminates spaces in between your faux locks and it makes it look more natural. And there it is, I'm wrapping it around, overlapping the last piece I just wrapped around. Okay, so once you get to the end of your faux lock and you begin to run out of Marley hair, you will want to twist upward. So I'm showing you here that you will want to twist upward and that kind of locks it in. So that way there will be no gaps in your faux lock. So after it's all locked in, I went ahead and burned it just for maybe a second and then palm rolled it. And now I'm showing you the end pieces here. Your deep wave hair, I split it in half and trimmed some of it because I felt like it was too thick, but that's up to you if you want to keep all of it. In this little clip, I'm showing you that it's not as stiff as normal faux locks are. And here's the final product. Neat parts, looks natural. Thanks for watching.